Listen, this is just the way I give it, in a form for you to receive all these lyrics. I am more than what is perceived, plenty that hit us, but from the way that I numb the crowd, that I'm clearly a dentist. Novocaine in my game, I ain't feeling these niggas. Spit it only for my fans, and the realest of niggas live on the blocks where old folks sit up and figure how these kids only wanna be killers and drug dealers. But listen, it's simply just a part of the project, shaping up the city, making money's the object. So being black and oppressed is simply a process to separate the weak from the strong and see progress. You can read it, but it's harder to digest, especially when it comes to getting shit off of my chest. We live in the evilest streets, trying to be righteous, hustling all day and steady all through the night. Stress, many stuck standing still and lifeless, scared in the corner, untrained to fight this. Me, I spent my whole life thirsty to write this, hoping that when it dropped you be receiving the right shit. These be the dark hours, wait till the light hit, showing you money's nothing, homie, when you are priceless. I bet industry label execs wouldn't like this, cause I free flow, feeding the city, hoping they bite this. They starving, makes me wanna holler like Marvin, steady writing solutions and plugging it into problems. Watching all of these goofies, loving it at the bottom, and I'm all at the top with these lyrics soon as I jot them. And when I freestyle, don't even bother, there really is no ceiling, I should work for the Carter, nigga. And Lil Wayne, if you ever need a new partner, we can sit over a couple cigars and discuss farther. Now tell me, who you know that's spitting it harder? I'm a versatile